Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A1 level language lesson. We're going to be talking about language for the classroom. So welcome to the lesson. So take a look at this picture and see how many things that you can name in English that you can see in this picture. All right, so now can answer these true or false. What can you remember? And if the answer is false, then you can correct the sentence. So go ahead, pause the video, try those on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, so there are two whiteboards on the classroom wall. That is true. The window in the classroom is open. That's false. It should be the window is closed. There are many blue chairs in the room. That's false. The chairs are actually green. The classroom is full of students. That one is false. The classroom is not full of students, or you could say the classroom is empty. There are pencils on each desk. That is true. The teacher is standing next to the whiteboard. It's false. There is no teacher next to the whiteboard. And there are three large desks in the picture. That's true, although it says they can also be called tables. All right, so what are these things? And do you know what we use them for? So the first one is, we would say this is a pen. You use it to write. So try the rest of these. So letter B, we could say this is note paper. You use it to take notes. Picture C. This is a clock. You use it to tell time. Picture D. This is a pencil. You use it to write. Picture E. This is a laptop. You use it to search the internet. And this is a tablet. You use it to read, write, and search the internet. All right, so now you want to match each sentence to the picture. These are classroom instructions, so things that the teacher might ask you to do in the classroom. So go ahead and try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So please close the door. That would go with letter F. It's hot in here. Please open the window. That would be picture B. You can sit in that chair. That would be picture G. Take out your book. That's picture C. You need a pencil or pen. It's picture A. Okay, please look at the board. Picture E. And please put away your phone is picture D. All right, so now see if you can complete these sentences using the words in bold. So listen to, answer, ask, read, or talk about. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, in class, we sometimes read an article. I listen to my teacher, but I don't always understand everything. We talk about my life, my family, my job. The teacher asks many questions, and I try to answer the questions, but sometimes I don't know the answer. Okay, so you must ask questions, and that's how you learn English. So what kinds of questions can you ask in class? So here we're going to match the sentence on the left with the question on the right. Again, you can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So I don't understand the word lately, so you could ask, what does lately mean? I didn't understand what the teacher said, so then you might want to ask, can you please repeat that? I am tired. You might ask, can we take a break? And I don't know how to write that word. Can you please spell that word? All right, now see if you can complete the sentences with the words in the boxes. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So excuse me, can you please repeat that? I didn't understand you. Teacher, what does pale mean? You spell the word happiness like this, Happiness. Okay, students, please look at page 73 of your book. And now we will listen to a song. So what can you see? What are the people doing in these pictures? So in picture A, she is listening to a recording. Picture B, they are solving a math problem. Picture C, they are taking notes. Here the teacher is smiling. And here the girl is studying. All right, so now you can practice this dialogue. You can read it on your own if you want. If you have a partner, maybe you can practice with each person, reading each part. You could also change some of the words to make your own conversation. So I'll let you do that one on your own. And now this time, you're going to pretend that you're the teacher, and you can use some of these sentence starters to make sentences about what the students should do. And here, for each of these situations, you need to come up with a question to ask. So for example, you don't understand the meaning of ambidextrous. So a question for that might be, what does ambidextrous mean? All right, so go ahead and try those on your own. And that brings us to the end of today's video. So please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.